Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. This is the orientation week's path, class 4 and subject is mathematics. Today we are going to start our worksheet number 4. This is related to the time. You have to mention the hour hand and minute hand on these clocks. Draw the following 12-hour clock times on the clocks. Also write the time in 24-hour clock below. First of all, you will draw the hour hand and minute hand. For read this time. What is it written? 5 p.m. You will write 5 p.m. in the by the use of needles. First of all, draw hour hand. As you know, the hour hand is smaller. You will draw a smaller hand here on 5 because it's 5 and it's complete 5. You will draw the minute hand on 12. So we have drawn hour hand and minute hand, and you also have to write the time in the 24 hours. Like it's 5 p.m. 12 hours have gone, means 12 hours have gone. After this 12, you have to count it like this: 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So what time is it? It's 17 o'clock. It's 17 o'clock. You have to write. First of all, you will draw the hour hand and minute hand on these clocks, and then you will write the time in 24 hours as I have written. Now move towards the next page. It's a very important topic in front of you: metric units of length, weight and capacity. Here are some units. You have to convert these units. Convert these units from one unit to another. Some units are as you have to convert the higher unit from lower to the lower unit, and in some cases you have to convert the lower unit to higher unit. Let's have a look on a little bit concepts. When you will convert higher unit to lower unit, the concept here is when we convert higher unit to a lower unit, we multiply by 10, 100 and 1000. If we have to convert a higher unit to lower unit, we multiply it either 10 or 100 or 1000. It is based on the value of the unit we have provided. For example, if you have to convert kilometer to centimeter, you can, as you know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. You will multiply the digit given with the number given with the 100,000. For example, 100,000. And here is another example from higher unit to lower unit. When you will convert kilogram to gram, as you know, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. You will multiply it by 1000. Look at on your worksheet here. When you will convert 2.4 kilometer to centimeter, you will multiply the 2.4 kilometer with 100,000 as I told you, and you will get the answer here, which will be 2400,000 centimeter. Similarly, when you will convert kilogram to gram, when you will convert 0.24 kilogram to gram, you will again multiply it by 1000. As you know, 1 kilogram is equal to 100,000, so you will multiply 0.24 with 1000 and you will obtain 240 grams. Now look at here. When you will convert lower unit to higher unit, you will divide it by 10, 100, 1000. You have to keep it in your mind. When you will move from higher unit to lower unit, you will multiply, and when you will move from lower unit to higher unit, you will divide by 10, 100 or 1000 depending on the values of units. For example, when you will convert meter to kilometer, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, you will divide it by 1000. When you will convert millimeter to centimeter, you will divide by 10. Look at the examples here. When you will convert 2000 meters, you will divide it by 1000. 2000 meter, you will divide it 1000. When you convert 2000 meter to kilometer, you will divide it by 1000. And when you will divide, you will have the answer 2 kilometer. 2000 meters is equal to 2 kilometer. When you will convert 80.00 millimeter to centimeter, you will divide it by 10. You will divide it by 10. And when you will divide 80.00 millimeter to 10, you will have the answer of 8 centimeter. It was a little interesting concept. You will practice it by yourself and will complete all the given conversions by yourself. Now move towards the next page. Color by simple addition. It's a very easy and interesting activity. Color the section of the turkey using this key. Here's a color key provided you, and for example, when you will add all these questions given in all parts of this turkey, and according to the answer you will color these parts. For example, if you have the answer 0, then you will color that part brown. If you have answer 7, then you will color that part as orange. If you have answer 9, then you will color that part purple. If you have answer 5 or 6, then you will color that part as green. Let's do an example. 5 plus 4. What is the answer of 5 plus 4? When you add 5 and 4, you obtain 9. So we have the 9 answer. And look at now the color key. What color we will do? And 9, it's purple color. 9 is equal to purple color. So in this part you will color purple. Do another example. 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. When you have 2 answer, so look at the key here. 1 or 2 answer will be colored as red. So in this part you will color red. Thank you so much. You have to do all these sums by yourself and color this according to the color key. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.